guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Delibia again. Hope you guys are doing fine. So today is more like a different kind of video. It's not a hair tutorial. I decided to just do a little get ready with me video where I show you guys how I do more like my everyday makeup. Been asking me how I do my eyebrow and my little makeup. I'm not a makeup artist. It's not a makeup tutorial. I'm just showing you guys how I do my makeup and then I achieve this look. But if you're interested in knowing how I did my twist, I'll link it here below. There's a video already showing you how I do my mini twist. So if you're interested, then stay tuned and let's get into the tutorials. So for my primer, I'm using my MAC Prep and Prime. I'm going to list everything I am using in the description bar below, so you check it out. It's just a little bit of it like so. I'll do the strokes very lightly under. And then I start filling it in very lightly so it can blend with my hair. I'll go in my brush. So there you have it. This is the other side. Concealer, still MAC in NW45. Small eyebrow brush to clean my brows. Then now I'm going to just clean it. So here is the one I've made, and this is the other side. So I'm going to repeat it and then I come back. So I'm going to do the rest of my face now. I'm finished with the brows. This is how they look right now. So I normally use my fingers to do my foundation. Use my flat brush to just blend everything out. And also take every excess that I have on my face. Moving on to my hair, I did this twist out twist, two strand twist two nights ago. Yeah, and I haven't really done anything with it, so I'm going to style it now to finish my look. So if you want to know how I do achieve this twist, there's a tutorial in my channel already for my twist, so check it out. I'm going to link it below, so you check the video out on how I do achieve my mini twist. I'll go in with this pin from Glitter, and then first of all I'll make sure I use my shea butter mix. I also have a video on how I did my whipped shea butter, and then I just placed it in this my coconut oil bottle. And yeah, everything will be linked below for the other tutorials that you also have to check if you are wondering what I'm using. So I'm going with this quantity and just apply it all over my hair. So right now, the first style I'm thinking of is this really cute style. I'm just trying to create a part here, and then I'll make these ones to go like this. I'm going with my brush and just try to brush this front part. And I'll go in with my bobby pins. So here is the final look. This side, the front, the other side, and the back. So yeah, I hope you guys did enjoy the video. If you like it, do give it a thumbs up and do share with your friends and family. And if you're watching this video and you're not yet subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe. And I love you for watching. Bye bye.